students, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today in this video we are going to learn standard 6 social studies and chapter number 12, that is understanding the map. Okay, in the previous videos we have already completed the types of map, different types of map, and on the basis generally we can divide the map into two parts that we have already completed. One is thematic map and second one, that is we have scale based map. So in thematic map also we have two types. One is natural map and one is cultural map, right? That we have completed in video number 1. So today in this video we are going to learn about the types of map on the basis of the scale. मतलब प्रॉपर मेजरमेंट के हिसाब से, ओके, प्रॉपर मेजरमेंट के हिसाब से जो मैप बनते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड on the basis of the scale. You know very well, I think you know very well that in maths you have the you have to draw according to the base of scale. You have to draw the graphs. So you have the graph book, so into that the proper scale is given to you. So generally if the scale of the map is less than 1 centimeter raised to 50 kilometer, then that map is called a large scale map. See, map is less than 1 centimeter raised to 50 kilometer, then that map is called large scale map. मतलब 1 सेंटीमीटर है, वो कितना इंडिकेट करेगा? 50 किलोमीटर. ओके, मीन्स लेस देन 1 सेंटीमीटर. 1 सेंटीमीटर से लेस देन मेजरमेंट होगा विच इंडिकेट 50 किलोमीटर, दैट इज कॉल्ड लार्ज स्केल मैप. व्हाट हैपन, सी 1 सेंटीमीटर से कम होना चाहिए मेजरमेंट, और वो क्या इंडिकेट करेगा? 50 kilometers, so that is called large scale map. In this map 1 centimeter is equal to 50 kilometers, that is real distance of the earth. You can say this way, but second statement is very much perfect. 1 centimeter is equal to 50 kilometers. If this type of measurement is there, that is the actual distance, so that is called large scale map. What you have to remember, the measurement in that 1 centimeter is equal to 50 kilometers, so that is called large scale map. Large scale map shows more details, and if large is there, so the word itself give the information that it gives more detail. District, city or village maps are the examples of large scale map. So which are the examples of large scale map? So district, city or village maps are the examples of large scale map. Small scale map shows large area of the earth's surface. For example, map of the different continents are called map of small scale. See, small scale shows the small information. For example, here it is mistake. Large scale of map shows the large area of the earth's surface. If large surface scale map is there, means large scale map is there, so it shows the large areas. For example, map of different continents, अलग अलग continents का जो map है, that is the call like that of map. World map, country map, map of atlas are the example of small scale map. Okay, so if the information is less, so it is called small scale map. There are 4 types of small scale map. For example, atlas, cadastral, topo sheet means site map, and wall map. What is the meaning of cadastral? मतलब we can say measurement of the thing, measurement of the thing, or measurement thing. ओके, मेजरमेंट ऑफ लेंथ का मेजरमेंट करेंगे, स्पेशली ऑनर का. कोई चीज़ का, कोई लैंड का ऑनर हो तो उसका मेजरमेंट करेंगे, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड कैडेस्ट्रल मैप. सो दीज आर द स्मॉल स्केल मैप. देन वॉल मैप जो होता है, यू नो वेरी वेल कि वॉल के ऊपर हमें छोटा सा मैप लगाते हैं, सो दैट इज अ स्मॉल स्केल. व्हाट इज द रीज़न? बिकॉज वी गेट द लेस इंफॉर्मेशन विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट. Now you have the map of Gujarat here, so we can say you get many information with the help of this, so we can say it's a large scale map. And you have to remember, in exam the question will be there from these map that indicate these cities. Okay, in the map, so we will start from the downside. So you have here Valsad, here Navsari, here Ahwa, then Surat, Tapi, Bharuch, Rajpipla. See, these red color indicate the state capital, means the area's capital. So the capital of Valsad is Valsad, Navsari, Ahwa, so the capital is Dang, means administrative capital. Then Surat, so the capital is Surat. Tapi, capital is Tapi. Bharuch, capital is Bharuch. Then Rajpipla, so we have Narbada, means the capital is Rajpipla, means these black color and this kind of dot indicate headquarter. ओके मतलब वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो है उसका हेड क्वार्टर. वडोदरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट, तो उसका हेड क्वार्टर कौन सा है? वडोदरा. देन वी हैव पंचमहाल, सो द हेड क्वार्टर इज गोधरा. देन दाहोद, सो हेड क्वार्टर इज दाहोद. आणंद, हेड क्वार्टर आणंद. देन खेड़ा, सो हेड क्वार्टर इज नडियाद, राइट. देन गांधीनगर, सो वी हैव गांधीनगर हियर. हिम्मतनगर, सो वी हैव साबरकांठा. पालनपुर, sorry, Banaskantha, so we have Palanpur. Patan, so we have Patan here. Then Mehsana, so Mehsana. Gandhinagar, Gandhinagar. Ahmedabad, Ahmedabad. Surendranagar, Surendranagar. Bhavnagar, Bhavnagar. Amreli, so Amreli. Junagadh, Junagadh. Porbandar, Porbandar. Jamnagar, Jamnagar. Rajkot, Rajkot. Kutch, so Bhuj, you can see. So you have to remember, see where we get the changes. So we have Kutch, so Bhuj here. Then Himmatnagar, so means Sabarkantha, so we have Himmatnagar here, right. Then we have here Ahwa, so we have Dang. Then Narbada, so we have Rajpipla here, right. Means almost in other like district, the headquarter and district itself is same, so you have to remember that thing. तो 21 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स ऐसे हैं गुजरात के जिसके हेडक्वार्टर और जो भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट है वो बोथ आर सेम, राइट. और 12 जो है वो अलग अलग है, बट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस मच ओनली. टोटल 33 districts are there in Gujarat. So that is also the question, that how many districts are there in Gujarat. So we have 33 districts in Gujarat. Then we have here Ran of Kutch. Here we have Pakistan. So border of Pakistan is attached here. Then here Rajasthan. Here Maharashtra. Here Madhya Pradesh. Then we have Arabian Sea. ये गल्फ ऑफ कच्छ, मतलब कच्छ का अखात. हियर गल्फ ऑफ खंबात. सो यू हैव टू लर्न दिस पॉलिटिकल मैप ऑफ गुजरात. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके. देन द पॉलिटिकल मैप ऑफ इंडिया. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट थिंग ऑल्सो. हियर वी हैव द border of Afghanistan. Here Pakistan. Here China and Tibet. Okay, like that you have to remember. Here we have Sri Lanka. So let's check some of the quick revision, like Jammu and Kashmir, हिमाचल प्रदेश, सो शिमला, उत्तराखंड, पंजाब, चंडीगढ़, हरियाणा, दिल्ली, न्यू दिल्ली, उत्तर प्रदेश, लखनऊ. देन हियर वी हैव नेपाल, सो अगेन बॉर्डर. देन सिक्किम, गंगटोक, भूटान, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, ईटानगर, नागालैंड, कोहिमा, मणिपुर, इम्फाल, देन मिजोरम, सो एजवाल. वी हैव त्रिपुरा, अगरतला. देन दिसपुर, सो मेघालय, सो शिलोंग. बिहार, पटना, झारखंड, रांची, वेस्ट बंगाल, कोलकाता. ओडिशा, भुवनेश्वर. छत्तीसगढ़, रायपुर. मध्य प्रदेश, भोपाल. देन हियर वी हैव राजस्थान, सो द कैपिटल इज जयपुर. गुजरात, यू नो वेरी वेल, कैपिटल गांधीनगर. देन दादरा एंड नगर हवेली एंड इवन दीव एंड दमन, सो वी हैव दमन. देन मुंबई, सो द कैपिटल इज महाराष्ट्र. ओके, सो कैपिटल इज मुंबई. गोवा, कैपिटल पणजी. देन Telangana, so capital is Hyderabad. Later on it will change into Amravati. Then Andhra Pradesh. Then Karnataka, we have Bengaluru. Then here we have Kerala, so Thiruvananthapuram. Tamil Nadu, Puducherry. Then Chennai. Then you can see here Port Blair, that is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar, Ireland. Then here we have Sri Lanka. Here Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and upside we have the protection from Himalaya. Okay, so Himalaya here, then Arabian Sea, like north and south, so we have Arabian Sea. Here west and here east, so here we have Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, and here we have Arabian Sea. So you have to remember these things. It is also very important and you have to learn the map. Then we have the map of world, so only the continents are there. Here we have Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Here also we have Pacific Ocean. So we have North America, South America. Here we have Atlantic Ocean. Then Europe, Asia, Africa, and Australia. And here you can see the map of India. So here India is situated, right. here we have Indian Ocean. So which are how many oceans? So Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean. Okay, and continents: North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Australia, and Asia. And in Asia, India is situated in Asia, right? So you have to remember that thing also. Now, very important question. There are 3 main mapping institutes in India. So the question is there in your mind that ma'am, from first video you are telling us map. तो ये map बनाता कौन है? So in India we have 3 mapping institution. First one is NATMO. What is the full form? You have to remember the full form. It's most important question. So N stands for national, A stands for atlas, T stands for thematic, okay, and M stands for mapping. So what is the full form of NATMO? So National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization. Okay, we can say here O for organization. So what is the full form of NATMO? So National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization. So this organization is in Kolkata and produces maps and showing distribution. तो ये कहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सिचुएटेड है? सो इट इज सिचुएटेड इन कलकत्ता. प्रोड्यूसेस मैप शोइंग द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, अलग अलग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करके हमें मैप दिखाता है. देन NSRA. So N stands for national, R stands for remote, S stands for sensing, and A stands for agency. So the full form is National Remote Sensing Agency. This organization is in Hyderabad. So NATMO का कहाँ पे है? So it is in Kolkata. And NSRA का कहाँ पे है? Hyderabad. This draw the map with the pictures taken by satellites stationed in the space by ISRO. ISRO मतलब जो हमारा स्पेस सेंटर है, कहाँ पे है? स्पेस में है. तो सैटेलाइट्स की हेल्प से, सैटेलाइट्स जो फोटोग्राफ्स लेंगे उसकी हेल्प से ये जो मैप ड्रॉ करेगा. कौन सा? NRSA. व्हाट इज़ द फुल फॉर्म? सो हाँ, NRS है, नेशनल रिमोट सेंसिंग एजेंसी. देन सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया. सो दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज इन देहरादून. This organization allows for creating map and gives permission for their uses. Okay, these institution give the permission to create the map and gives permission for their uses. And even जो publish होंगे वो maps का हम लोग use भी कर सकते हैं. Maps or of our books are certified by this organization. Means whatever the maps are there in our books or in our syllabus which is certified, मतलब किसने उसको मान्य किया है? सो सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, जहाँ पे इंडिया का सर्वे होता है विच इज़ इन देहरादून. द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज सिचुएटेड इन देहरादून. सो मैप्स ऑफ अवर टेक्स्ट बुक आर सर्टिफाइड बाय दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. मीन्स बाय दिस सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया द मैप्स आर सर्टिफाइड विच आर देयर इन द टेक्स्ट बुक. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Still you have any doubts, so you can write in comment box. I'll try to solve your problems and doubts. And thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.